NIECEYY on the beat.
Girl, you a diamond. Girl, you a star.
Hey guys, so I will be showing you guys how I style my braids. I've had them in going on 2 months. So as you can see, my roots are, you know, it's time to come out. So they're bone straight right now. That's how long they are, like my mid back. And today I actually have a fashion show. Oh, it's going blurry. Okay. I actually have a fashion show. So I'll be showing you guys how I go from straight to curly. So to start off, I'm using these. So there's 3 packs here, and I've already have a bunch in here. So hopefully I should do my full head. So afterwards, you're gonna just section off your hair so it's easier for you to manage. You can put it in 2 like this. You can do half up, half down, section in 4. However, whatever is easy for you. And I'm just gonna start from the back. I'm taking like 3. And I'm just gonna start curling. When I get to the front, I will show you how I do it. So I have a few left, and I just section it out with either 2 or 3 to 4 pieces. And then I take my wand, I place it on, let's say, the inside. Okay. I hold it in place, and I reach underneath, and I just wrap.
So any other man that hurt you, he done went too far. You put the time in, you played your part.
This is the end result. And now I'm gonna go dip it in hot water, and I'll show you guys the end results later. Alright, so we're at the dipping in the hot water season. I got my niece with me. She's gonna help me out, you know, because I can't do it by myself. No, I actually can't.
If I burn her,
she dead though. Okay. Okay, guys. Testing her my life. Ooh, Jesus.
it's hot though.
Yeah, and there's one by my head right here. Yeah. Okay, not enough.
It burn you?
Hold it, hold it. Oh, Jesus. I know the fishes.
No, that's not burn.
Oh,
That hurt. That's not funny.
what?
Yeah, wait. Where did it burn?
No funny.
I let it go, and I can't wait for you to go and tell him so long. It's bloody moon. Now baby, tell me why. So baby, tell me why you look sad every
Nothing. I'm just trying to fix up. Look on my breast. I'm trying to fix up my hair. Deal with these fucked up stairs, but we don't care. Job don't care.
Lord, I can't believe I'm going out with her looking like that. Like, look. Like, what are you wearing now? Okay, the clothes I don't mind, but your hair,
in these streets.
you could have at least took it
Let me
out.
see something.
Yeah, you're still ugly.
It's okay. Someone love my ugly ass. Hey. Okay. You can still talk about your nose piercing.
Oh, but yeah. So then after, what happened? Yeah. So now there's a bump.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna do it right now. I'm at a fashion show.
You will. And I learned from the best.
Let's see. So because I'm like this, I'm just gonna come back when it's done. So far,
Oh no, like you already know how it is. Hi.
What's up? It's 12:28. You know, boss teams. I don't know. She really thinks she's a gangster though, but I just came to show you guys my curls with the wand. Thanks, Lexi, for the help. You know what I'm saying?
Whatever. And I bunchy head. Remember that?
Yeah, I'll remember that. Yeah, definitely.
It wasn't on purpose. It was by accident. And you think my face is big? Hi.
Why are we related? But yeah, I really like my my curls, and I hope you guys like it too.